What's good, guys? The boy again, aka Tjhabination. So this is AACA edition, guys. As you can show them there. So do make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Proudly sponsored by Imbadada special edition, as you can see. It's Tjhabination. It's only 400 rand. Highly combo gets 700. So make sure that you don't miss out. Valentine is around the corner. Trust and how's it, man? I'm good.
Yo, make sure to subscribe to Tjhabination.
Away. Dango my G. Yeah, guys, that's just about it. So, creating content for you guys, you know. This is just a short vlog. So, I'm doing this vlog by feature for you guys. So, do make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and subscribe. So, guys, I'm gonna show you around here. Ne? I'm gonna show you around the school. Sure, so down AACA, and then Ramona here. So now we are presenting. We have a presentation. AACA, right fire. I don't know what that is. First floor shop, second floor. So this is okay. Here are the toilets. When I get there. Show.
Yeah, what's good? Hello, YouTube. So Malume wa wonke or just Slovo as I'm known to be. Yeah. Fandachi, it's your tour. Yes, AACA right now.
Yeah.
We are heading to the first floor. The first floor, your AACA. Better my boy Tjhabination.
So like introduction here, everyone. Not everyone, but most. Yeah. Okay. Now we hear of it. Bathrooms again, a small kitchen. For what? Yeah, use that to take. If I feel time is ticking now, so I don't know if I should cut this here, but I don't enter. And then this is L1.
Our meeting.
Introduction.
Please.
Hi guys, my name is Emtee.
Follow her on TikTok, guys. She's good. So Mr. Shakespeare. This is the only one, Shakespeare.
Yo! What's up, Zen, the cage baby has landed. The cage has landed. So, shout out.
Yeah, man.
So,
much love, appreciate like a code or something. But yeah,
Shakespeare's code.
Yeah.
I don't know much about Shakespeare's code, but I can give you a code.
Oh no!
The most important things in life are basically the people around you. Because if time runs out, that's all that you got. You got time, you got people around you. So always look after them. Make sure you give them all the love they need, because they give you more love. Time is important. They're wasting it on you, wasting it on them. Feel.
But you just spoke of time running out and then you said all you have is time and the people around you.
Yeah, you have time, but when it runs out, it runs out.
My sister. So I did something. Word of the day.
Word of the day. Being kind really like costs nothing, so be kind at all costs.
The boy's cookie. Arva.
Big man.
What's up, man? What's up?
What's up,
Are you
man?
good?
I'm great, dog.
Yeah, what's your name, bro?
My name's Isaac.
I had the teddy bear or Teddy, okay? Yeah, tell us the word of the day.
The word of the day. Acting brings reacting. Remember that?
That's powerful. My brother, what's up?
I'm fine, thank you. What's up, man?
I'm good, man. Word of the day, bro? Yeah.
Never give up.
That's it. Okay, never give up, guys.
What's up? Yo. My man. Word of the day, dog. Word of the day. Big man himself. Let's begin with your name first, you know?
Okay. My name is Tjhabination, guys.
Right.
Me. Word of the day is acting is believing.
Zed.
Are you sure it's coming?
I was gonna tell you. I just got off the phone. I was gonna try and find you, but these Hendricks kept hindering me.
When are they coming?
Today.
What? They can't come today. Today's casual day.
What are you anyway?
I was supposed to be seeing one today, my friend. You said on those days when I was face to face, I'd be with the phone man, I could dress down and even see me over the phone. You said so.
I didn't know that Asia was coming, did I?
Oh Christ, I got it. They didn't see. You're gonna see me. I'm not because they told me.
Hi, A-team. We're gonna win, aren't we? We're the best, dog. Losers. Sorry. Losers.
Because she just came in and she was like part of the vlog, by the way.
We're vlogging right now. Alright, we're gonna start in 3, 2.
Picture is coming.
Just come. I was gonna tell you, I just got off the phone with this. I was gonna try and find you, but these Hendricks kept on hindering me. When are they coming? Today!
What? They can't come today. Today's casual day.
For you anyway.
I was just seeing one today, my friend. You said on days when I was face to face, I was gonna be able to use the phone man. I could dress down and you would see me over the phone. You said so.
I didn't know that, my friend. Each other's got me. Let me tell you, my phone.
Hayi, ivale mfana.
Just been hit with an avocado, bro.
They hit me with an avocado, man.
Oh, damn, so
That guy. So never fits me.
Nah, I'm good. We're just gonna record.
Yeah.
You know. Just cover my phone and come in Emtee there. You treat me, my dog.
That's why you never catch a nigga so hard started to the beat is over. Hey, I'm never scared, got no pistol on me. Hey, drop a fast start.
You have to practice. Yeah. Like actual practice.
Yeah, you don't understand these lines and expressions, everything.
Mind, feelings, everything. It matters, dog. It matters, dog.
I don't believe in it.
I need a plan. I need a plan for today. Actually, it was trash. But even my performance was like, everything was lacking. I don't know about you, Sai, because y'all.
Hey, bruh. Hey, bruh. That's all. Yeah, guys, but that was it, man.
Word of the day.
And that day,
Dress
catch
like
me in
you want
5 years. Catch me in 5 years. I'll be in seas, dog. Chile, so bravo. Hurry. Hurry, talk again. So now, I get the relation.
Ngithengata bra, ngithengata. Pinche.
So I guess
Yeah.
But good, man.
Yeah. Doing this.
Yeah,
Let's sign out, Bafetu. That was it.